Blue is the colour of sky, sea and twilight. It's a symbol of the world beyond the material. It is the colour of insight, contemplation and the infinite. We've created a bed of blues, swaying to the wind's gentle tempo, dancing grasses gracefully bowing, and ripples of green and white, a gentle sea lapping beneath the airborne blue. And that is why we call this planting combination Rhapsody in Blue. If you liked this video, please like, follow us and share.